Hello everyone, as promised, I'm making this video to demonstrate how to do regression in Excel for your conjoint analysis survey results. This is the example we did together. So if you remember the full data, we had 5 attributes and we had drinks which had 3 levels. And then we had candy, which had 2 levels, Toblerone and M&Ms. We had spread, which had 3 levels, peanut butter, Nutella, and honey. And then we had salty snacks, 2 levels, and then price, which is three levels. And then this is the ratings for one customer. So what we want to do regression on this data, but before we run the regression, we need to take away the baselines. So for each attribute, we don't want all the levels of that attribute. We're going to take away one of the attributes. It can be any one of them. It doesn't matter. And we cannot run regression on all of the levels for each attribute. We have to take one level out. So for example, for drink, we took away apple juice. That was the baseline, considered the baseline. For candy, we took away Toblerone, which is the baseline. For the spread, we took away peanut butter. And for salty snacks, we took away chips. And for price, we took away 5, I believe. So after we take away those baselines, we got the data that's ready for regression. So these are the variables we're going to use for regression. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to data and then click on data analysis. If you still don't have data analysis in your Excel, I have made a separate video of how to get this data analysis into your Excel. You can watch that. So you click on data analysis and then you go to regression and then OK. Then for your Y range, you want the ratings. So you're going to click on ratings. And then with Control Shift down, it selects the whole column. And then you go to the X values. For the X, you want all the other variables other than the Y. So we're going to select this. So this. And then Control Shift up. So all the X values, so everything except rating. And then since we have selected labels, check the box labels, don't forget that. And then we're gonna want new worksheet. Okay, so that gives me the result of my regression. So what we want is this column and this one for the titles. So those coefficients here are what we're gonna use to do the analysis of those results. They're called part words. These are what we call part words. Thank you.